Cheers.
Jars.
First wild camp.
Mm. Oh, you too.
Hello, welcome back to another video. It has, I always say this, it has been a while, and it certainly has this time. I don't think I've done anything for quite a few months, and I finally decided to get out and do another video. I have been out a few times with some friends, and I've taken the camera with me and I've filmed odd little bits, but never enough to make a full video. I visited friends in Wales who own a woodland, and I've done another beach camp with Carl, and I just wasn't feeling it. I wasn't in the mood, and I think it's time to push through that and get something out there. So here we are. I'm out with my friend Simon. I've known him for a couple of years now. He's getting some firewood ready. You'll probably seen him in the background, has been setting up. This is his first wild camp, so hopefully you'll enjoy it. We've been camping before. We went to the bushcraft show. Again, went there, didn't film it. But it was a good event and very enjoyable. And we're going again next year as well. But yeah, so me and Simon have been camping before, but not as wild camping. It's sort of been at official places and things like that. So this is his first wild camp, so want to make sure he has a good time. He's set up with a tarp and bivvy. I've got this little tent which is about the size of a coffin, which I bought years ago on a holiday in the Yorkshire Dales, and I've used it a couple of times, but it's classed as a hiking tent, but there's no way you can get yourself and your gear in it, but it's good enough for something like this. I just put a cover over my bag in case it rains tonight. With any luck, it'll be a nice night and the rain and storms will hold off. Oh, nice one.
I got a bit lost. Couldn't find the path I'd made.
I'm not messing around today.
all of it done?
Yeah, we'll do the whole lot. 'Cause it'll all... In fact, yeah. Get that in there and start mixing up. Get my spoon on.
It's so appealing when it comes.
Oh,
to
yeah.
the packet, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna need to. Just put a glug of water in it as well. Hope that hasn't stuck to the bottom.
More flavour.
Aussie attack. That's not stuck too bad at all, actually. Yeah, I think that's about right. Dig in.
Happy days. Thanks, Dad. It's hot.
Yeah. Not my best, not my worst. Good eating. Right, you don't want to see us eat all this.
That's hot.
Right, well we've eaten quite well. We're letting the fire die down because it is just, we don't need it, it's far too hot, it's very humid here. And we're just going to light the lanterns and just have a beer and put the world to rights. So we'll catch you in the morning.
I was trying to think of a way to sign my work. for carving. So I thought, oh, I'll try something simple, SS. And I was like, so I've got to think of a way of writing it where it's not too curvy, so I'll do it like a lightning bolt, and then, yeah, on reflection, perhaps.
Yeah.
Too soon.
That's staying in.
Is it? Oh, oh, crumbs. Right, it looks like it's on its way to being cremated. So.
Cool. Thank you. Cheers. Crunchy.
Ow. Got there?
Yeah, cheers. Thank you.
Or has it already got powdered milk in?
Yeah.
Oh, God. I brought the Jersey milk.
I didn't know. Morning. It was not been too bad a night. It rained a tiny little bit, but nothing too major. But I just want to talk about this tent for a minute. So I got this on holiday a few years ago in Yorkshire. It's the Highlander Blackthorn 1 HMTC one-person trekking tent. I don't know if you can see that there, but it is small. Does pack down well. But as you can see, I'm sat next to it. And this is the top here, so there's no way you can sit up inside of it. I'm not a tall person, and my feet were touching the bottom, and there wasn't a huge amount of room. I was comfortable enough, but it did get quite warm when it was done up properly. There is no room for any kit really. I mean, I had a little bit here beside the air mat on either side, but there's not much. You can't get your packing at all, and also there's a slight gap either side on the fly, but you can't access the other side. There's no zip or anything, so it's wasted space. You can't put anything in, so it's sort of like a large hooped bivvy, if anything, rather than a tent. I just managed to get my boots into this area here. Simon, who's a bit taller than me, there's no way he would get in there, or he would, but he would be like head and feet cramped. So, and it's not that easy to crawl in and out of this bit either. So yeah, I'm not going to use it often. I will use it again, mainly summertime. It is fairly light, but as it goes, I wouldn't recommend getting one unless you want a small hoop bivvy.